Hi guys, it's a quick video, no edits, I won't have the time to put images and text, so it's just an update on the plants, so let's jump in. So, Windowsill, okay, so let's start by the non-Nepenthes. I just separated my big, minor, Eleonphora minor, this one, and I had two big ones and a lot of small ones. So most of them are totally fine. What else? Eucla moramensis is doing fantastic, as always in winter. Look at this one. This is Glandulifera by Bottiana. The previous one, the first one on the windowsill was that, so it was already like a very good size. But that's the last one, and it's even bigger. And it's doing quite great, like big leaf jump, another one that is coming. So for now, everything is great. Yeah, I reduced one tray. This tray was dispatched other places, and then the plants will be sold later, so I saved one tray. Here, that's Vicii by Bottiana, again. Very nice color. A lot of Bottiana lately. My last order, I got a lot of Bottiana, and they are doing quite good. I mean, I'm in Canada and it's winter, so quite good. Oh yes, this one, that's the same as the previous one, Glandulifera by Bottiana, but crossed with Campanulata and Vicii. Doing great. Less impressive than the previous one, but doing great. This one, I can't wait to have it bigger. That's Truncata by Spectabilis. The leaves are very big leaf jump, but it didn't adapted as fast as I thought. But now it's getting better. It did the first picture on the windowsill. The one that was in the grow tent and sold pictured from day one, but this one took quite some time. That's the row of Vicii. So this pot, and it's starting to vine. It's almost reaching the other one, so it will climb. That's going to be cool. I will do an update later, but that's a huge salad. Like, it's covering all the other plants, so they will adapt. Oh, and that's the new one, the pink, and the old previous picture was very nice. And it's about to do another one here. It's just opening. The color is fantastic because it's really lime inside, but outside is pink. It's not the perfect time, but that's great. Beside that, all the Vicii pictures that are starting to die, I'm overfeeding them. What else? Platykyla by Lowii something, I don't know, but it's most of them took a bit because of the grayness we got. So here you see a very tiny leaf. It will picture, but very tiny compared to before. But it was a very gray winter. So even if some plants start again to do pictures, it was a very gray year, and then they stopped picturing for some of them. Oh, this one, I really need to show you this one. So, this baby is Clypiata by Emae by Vicii by Lowii. Very nice surprise. That's a very colorful picture. I can't wait to have that bigger, for sure. What else? We have all the... Oh, there's this one. That's Trosmadiensis. No, that's Maxima by Trosmadiensis. And the previous picture, same. Good teeth. That's great. That's great. The next plant, that's going to be the Red Pasian. Truncata, Red Pasian. And that's doing okay. But again, it was the previous picture. The new picture will be never. It didn't like, again, I don't know if it was too cold or something, but... it stopped, but this one didn't miss a bit. I will not tell you all the names. This one is vining. What else I can show you? Here, this one. It's Truncata by Effipiata by Maxima. Sorry. So some pictures are starting to die, overfed, etc. This one is still doing fantastic. I really love this cross. Very a solid plant. Most of the plants start to have a lot of big leaf jump, even the thickness of the stem. So that's growing nicely. All those will start to be very big soon. Here, that's Maxima Dark. Very nice. The Maxima Dark is huge. It's like 2 feet, I guess, from leaf to leaf, taking a lot of space. But that's great. This one, not picturing. I think it's Maxima by Loei. What else? That's the Spectabilis by Spatulata, or Spatulata by Spectabilis, doing great. Some pictures very high now that it's vining. Oh yeah, the Truncata, obviously classic, not a cross, a special cross, or it's just a random Truncata, but it loves here. What else I can show you? Yes, the Truncata again, it start to die, and then you overfeed it. They never last really long for me, so that's something to consider. Tiny pictures, that's Lady Pauline, but all the pictures are mostly small during winter, especially on the vine. And yes, I have a lot of vines. I cut a vine of Brixena, did a load of cuttings. Some seeds also are coming. The previous one, the one from Brixena, didn't. They were not good. What else? What else? Let's be quick. Oh yes, this one. It's doing great. That's the Ventricosa by Amara. Let me grab it for you. It starts to have a decent size, so I'm quite happy with that, even if it's hiding under the leaves, but later I will see it better. I think there is nothing to add. It's just a quick update. I don't want to spend 4 hours to edit a video. Oh yes, the Spectabilis, pure Spectabilis, not picturing. Even the other one, what was that? This one will maybe picture later, but that's Spectabilis by Vicii. Again, not picturing. The last picture was, let me see. Okay, I see it. Okay, I will try to show you. So you see here, it's deformed, but it was a picture. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaf ago. So it's starting to vine, but not picturing. And some plants like the bouquet are doing the ugly pictures from winter, but when it will be warmer, it will be good. Ventricosa is doing tiny pictures. That's the previous one. And that's it for this improvised video. So until next time, happy growing and see you this summer.